issue
no we say na kakra ni after the move from Echase Kroma United oba be fi ono no prepare
na ana nsem ne nneoma ahodo na bebre na be bobbo so ama yetiefo ne ahwefo a momo omadwen so mo pese mo tie no omatimi atiase na ma yenko 21st clinic won kan Lego area mo onom no ene domicile ofo ni nyina ye chiache obi a esi capital Money Prince ana Filu ye chia obi bia ye na no pay yeso mo fa show ni ndiago na se do mabbo ye chi se Abu Dhabi se la no pay se do mo hwe show lu si a chia obo buli o
anamfo
oh yes
ana anam na esi capital ara obobo
oh o yi skill set kakre
esi capital
esi capital
ni bia de pa
ana Filu iti ye chia mo na no pay
me we no so ma
yes of course
esi capital
esi capital yes Abu Dhabi. Interestingly, Pogba this season and Kasa on a very good note. During pre-season, there were US no problem with the knee. It most of the time no boka kra no abanchen kakra, boka kra no abanchen kakra. But no akwaye surgery on that particular same said right knee na. Or making sure say Bianca the same time could be a good lad on the 9 ho. Na wetimi atwa so de abo. So their game against Cremonense, you bought about 20 minutes in the side game the Juventus win by 2 goals to 0.
Yes.
Pogba pray in the first 20 minutes na ekotobi na anodi free mu ye dey e konchen na after that particular game na no kwakogbo atia Udinese a mo win game no by 3 goals to 0 no sa game no Pogba amobi match ye na ewie ya yekoye test ya yesi Pogba wakofo nduro bi a ama na ho de abro na ho de wo so otimi di si aka ne so no sa game no Pogba anye dey wambosa match
eno so na akofa asem de aba no Pogba ambo that game ni be against Udinese iti na no yomubo empoli wie na osaso nya amozo pu kakra na club no kra yem hihwe omo se e bia kotodwi na sa aka no ho biem kra na amane sa adafo mo hwe mu no na just a precaution and brand wa bre ye dey e wo ho iti e wo continental bay ho no oye training na this enra no oye training na no nya course ope so mo ni din komo ni agent ne nkofo o konche na mo se yama o provisional ban ya hwehwe wo nyoma nim ni sample na ye take ifa o moja ho on the third game between Juventus and Udinese no mo win by 3 goals to 0 ye hu ni say wa fa nduro bi am wa hoden na bro se de wa hoden na wo so otimi de ye adwuma no so nti sese ne de e wo so otena nchen kakra na yakoye B sample test which means another test for ye hwehwe mu nu se ne ye confirm se no kra na se enye den enye no kra ba ba bi asisi Pogba gina nyini na ye se onfa nuboni bia ana onye bibia ama na hoden na ye den abroad and also on so and there has been such situations by some players be a yedi to me say o ma face bi ama mo ban no yatete so e bi ti say Francesco Akebi tama no was Sassuolo no also onya injury situation bi sa ano no konchen ne mu ho na no ko ehunu say wonya testicular cancer na no ho pane ne nyoma ketinkiti bi no e ma eduru be bi no ko test for a certain game bi kra no ne ehunu say nubone ye den e won ho a wasi etimi hwehwem omo kan ya nya good lawyers Emma Francesco Akebi ne ban no said na nipa expect say be tin no anye tin emi atwa so Emma ne sabisi na kan so Pogba in the light of some of these things is hopeful that some of the injuries in the surgeries I will go through no e bia no ne do wo won pane do na free ni moja ni said you say free mu no it will kakra bi na aka no na bi yi no ho ketenkete bi but Rafael Pimenta I will know the second mother of Pogba and they dia babetu bia say omo nkahwe. They are not going to say anything about what has happened for a Pogba and answer against Pogba. But we heard him say after the B sample ne ba bontia, to take a decision in the long run. Juventus might have brought out a statement saying say Oman announced say Pogba received suspension order from the National Anti-Doping Court following a positive test on August 20th. And the club has the right to take the next procedure steps. Procedure steps near a club ne train say B sample no so be den. Ebeba bontin just to confirm whether say no cre. So as a stance, a provisional suspension and a Yama Pogba. The B sample is still in test. They are still monitoring. Say Pogba F and Ruby a man and who ordain and I know produce and what in the body nimno. Okofa bibi won chen or the good body man so no bibi man call the body nima e man nya ho den bro sana eno ombehu omunya hu so ne ko wiase a Pogba so betima ye hie pa empire is oboboni na na say B sample ne ma bonten no na no ho atima ye dai ahia do ba metena sia na medwe hu ne ma bebre hu a Pogba bre no entiase enhye den nim bebre sa looking at the current situation we are facing a long period of time. Yes. From the days at Manchester United Oshasi on a very good note with Jose Mourinho, then quickly he moves on and makes sure so a crucial part of the team. Na nan to kwate si oni Jose Mourinho ntem. Paul Pogba is considered as a flop at Manchester United by some Manchester United supporters because omuji tumi say oni Mourinho nya issue account obi ne pamo Jose Mourinho and onya consistent or born and then why na but nya megina ha idea. Paul Pogba was one of the best players for Manchester United and Jose Mourinho.
Oh, okay.
What you say? And even the season no motor so second no. If you look at specific games, be one man crucial for Manchester United. So better so second. Paul Pogba was a key player within that setup. So that notion that is a flop no. And also so the 3 months me do maybe no. Oka say he wants to leave Manchester United to prove most of these people wrong. And in his quest to prove them wrong no. First issue Paul Pogba facing and the family. Then secondly injuries as I say Paul Pogba. Then thirdly, and then you see anti-doping for Paul Pogba. And Otinasi now doing one your be coach now. Who feel so bad for him? And on the Al Jazeera, 25 minutes solid interview. Now, about faith, fame, and violence, political violence. On Al Jazeera, yes, I interview. Now, there was a crucial part within it. On Monday now, and they will say Swasaba. Or some money changes people. It can break up a family. It can create a war. Sometimes I was just by myself thinking, I don't want to have money anymore. I just don't want to play anymore. I just want to be with normal people. So they will love me, not for the fame, not for the money. Sometimes it is tough. Osi sika sisa nipa. Sika etimi mebusu emu chiche. Sika etimi de ntokwaba. Eto da bi ono ankasa timi tina se dwen ho ahunu se ompesika bi. Ono atimi tina se nu se bo nankasa no mpese obebo bi. Opese oni nipa omoye normal na se obi bia na ofili se obeba ni bia na tina na na sumdwo no because ono na dutumi yeso ombe dey ombedo no. Enye for fame, enye for sika. He just wants to be around people, normal people. Abu ofili se ska no atete woni na busu yantem.
Adinsem bebraba.
Scanning and enei yakwachi ni nua. Because Paul Pogba ji tumi ese ni nua na hihye nkofo bi achi so omon blackmailing no na omon ji scan fanye den enfefri no enyo no ani nua na kogina ba bi ka se Paul Pogba de hyena akwa Manchester United Old Trafford Park ni fifi se de be bi mu bobo bi mu be prepra o de asam koto no so ko ka ne se Kylian Mbappe pra we pra nyina no Paul Pogba enim hu bi enei ono Al Jazeera ye interview na wi a look at some things that he's saying ska entimi nya de nyina ye ska entimi ma wasundwa officer ope. That is what Pogba is trying to tell us.
SOMPA Sports.
And the fame now when he feels he ko fame no krampo kope. And now anti-doping asabebo. Look at the frustrations Pogba is going through. And as a footballer, sometimes unso be a DA say film from ana ma woni mri ni pakro.
Akobi aminya wa ye de oze de bi amro na ma me catch oze. Ohwe ni pa no na ho ofe ni siko woni din wona eze minya wa ya. Pa cho wo ya ye bi ape no ana.
Open no ana. Oni asundua open no ana.
So the otie bi afa ne.
And you look at this case. Pogba, the sika oni fame wanya nyina chine na so mu nya den.
Enjo no.
And I feel sorry for him. Say hope he say be one beba na me makoye. Na Anthony sensem no. Abu, there has been a lot of evidences a APA ba.
Na players na then na baby girls are targeting on sa.
Abu, the club na nkasa no. In the first place, the suspension of Modema Anthony now must say an agreement between Anthony and the club. No. Personally, it is not true.
Enya no kre.
Enya no kre. Manchester United and Kasa one particular club, most of the time their decision making under Richard Arnold and John Metef has been pushed by media pressure.
Oh, okay.
Because Manchester United had plans to say come with the Greenwood Beba, come instigating into the team. Then one journalist, Adam Crafton, who works for the Athletic, eko di din komo fa chira konya story ne de ba bonten be criticize the club ne say club no ma plan so mo pese mo de Greenwood ye den eba na road map ne kra ne say ni na road map ne te road map ne bi ni say Greenwood ne the wife be interview on be lecture most of the workers at the club place no provide proof to them so mo ye hwehwemu ni say no mo nyaaye it no mo de Greenwood ye den eba na media ni so mu no o man fan to a no mo bo Manchester United the chisa it Manchester United the pressure. And this statement on missing Greenwood near day a babontin. Anthony Diana so babontin. And the case Yantias will say Anthony Diana allegations. Anthony hasn't been charged. You're charging Anthony. Say a chinatum, ya charge you say what the say tie waka koto dey akwa to police station na ya wait investigate and say ba be bail. Anthony hasn't been charged. It is allegations which say police for any investigations, police or more Brazil, any police or more UK. Now pressure about Manchester United in T and Manchester United car said there be and Anthony yeah mountain and change but you know how to protect the face of the club in such decisions or make here. It is not trustworthy of a big club like Manchester United, no. Sir, Anomobeye, Anomoma Branch any day, a conchain. Now, in the light of it, no, also now we have the court of public opinion and we have what the court will actually say. Mason Greenwood won in the court, but in terms of the court of public opinion, Mason Greenwood and Timmy really. Nini because a man for that someone say Mason Greenwood is guilty of what happened. Oh, just because of the small part of the video he saw.
All court on
Abu court on the so and the charges were dropped.
Yeah, because me no way nyasem. Uti de me kan me nua no na me no way nyasem. Asem no mistakenly akopie baby ni asum ni e kan wasem Ghana. Na won me kasa me nua no. So metimi a drop e. So asem na me kan no kra no. Ni ana me de be ye. And itwa be no nche so odi bi mo.
And in the light of the case ni nyina no, uti omo community omo drop e sa charges ni nyina na. Omo use the word in the light of new evidence released.
Don't make you ba e no nche say
beba. New evidence release. Court did not rule that Mason Greenwood did him. Agreed. Charges near drop.
Yes.
But in the light of new evidence, you know, as you are reasonable people, as you are dream actually been as you are timid, what was the new evidence in TMR charges near drop? What did they mention as no? You need to think back and understand the kind of situations that arose. Fine.
They have a drop charge again.
They have drop charges, not as for that time, ne dear. Na enyamba bonte after say actually 2 or 3 weeks after that to kind of babonte so you understand
say na again say ukwu ya adabia bishop ka say ini abusu apanyin ni ade ukwu na wanye mo no obema ye de natum
and abu
omo fa omo consider as adam
I know they consider by san omo fa
no ohunti no dem na kwa na wa na be ka je
and omo na nkasa na omo yes an your man in the wake of those things you know any no me push the buy
we are kosi say
Anthony there has been a new evidence and discussion between Reginaldo and the girl back who friend Ingrid Lancer ono and later on main nipa no the case the kwela nkasa friend Gabriela na Ingrid no later on ono so dey dey to TV for any ko ye interview so ko kan dey say Anthony for say no some corner ne beda abro inviting the ba UK somewhere business trip and Abu Dhabi Anthony release WhatsApp chats and na saying say girl na say translation na say girl na force Anthony kram na no ne me ko lie
SOMPA
so wa fe no it all messages ni mo catch Anthony say wa fe no na omra she wants to have sex with him say anyoma ni nyina no ka WhatsApp message nim na eno na girl no try so be deny fa chire ana Reginaldo no or part of Anthony entourage ana on the girl na di nkomo on the girl di nkomo ni nyina in the light of it in conversation ni nyina awa as ye ka se ye born tofa Abu Dhabi tofa ni nyina ani de edi kan England ne so e concern about media attention na Anthony anya no that was before be shia no England akwakoye interview ni say Anthony for say no so on ne beda Gabriela issue ni baaye no ana on Reginaldo di san nkomo we
come ya issue the chairman person be ba beto aso why memory no the common interest wumpa guys no ma form one adwentwe boys in the ball form no monye careful bishop
yeah
azemu ehu pa o na ti wa yesika azemu nyei obiama meka bat adiche ya me foti a uni a ehu so uni atoka ye we ya na ye de ne kwa akwa ti wo mu hu so sika asema ye ya o ana ye de corner tum and a boy we cry no nye me cry wanye asemi ye be bishop fam kakre ye
go no o de me ba timba ko de bia mu de mu ye ni na